Have you ever wondered what it's like to step inside the home of a music legend? The very place where melodies were born, harmonies soared, and history was made. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of Brian Wilson's stunning Beverly Hills mansion, a home that not only reflects his genius, but also the love and legacy he built with his late wife, Melinda. From luxurious interiors to priceless memorabilia, this house is a living testament to one of music's greatest minds. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more incredible stories and exclusive tours. Now let's step inside and explore the world of Brian Wilson. Brian Wilson, the visionary maestro behind the Beach Boys, was born on June 20th, 1942 in Inglewood, California, into a household humming with music and bound by familial harmony. The son of Audree and Murry Wilson, he grew up alongside his two younger brothers, Dennis and Carl, who would later join him in crafting the sun-soaked harmonies that defined an era. But from the start, Brian's world was shaped by both melody and misfortune. An accidental blow to the head from his father in his youth rendered him deaf in one ear, an irony for a man whose genius would sculpt some of the most intricate harmonies in American music. From the moment he penned his first song at the age of 16, Brian's gift for composition was undeniable. His early musical training, rooted in his studies at El Camino College, provided a foundation for the sonic landscapes he would later weave into the fabric of pop culture. The Beach Boys came to life in 1961, born from his deep-seated love for vocal harmonies and fueled by the combined talents of his brothers, cousin Mike Love, and friend Al Jardine. Under Brian's leadership, the group transformed from a backyard band into America's quintessential soundtrack of youth, surfing, and endless summer. But behind the shimmering surf anthems lay a man of deep complexities. In 1964, Brian married Marilyn Wilson Rutherford, a singer herself and a key presence during his rise to fame. Their union, spanning 16 years, bore two daughters, Carney and Wendy, who inherited their father's musical legacy. Yet the tides of fame, mental health struggles, and personal turmoil ultimately unraveled their marriage, leading to divorce in 1981. It wasn't until 1995 that Brian found stability in the arms of Melinda Ledbetter Wilson, a former model, car saleswoman, and talent manager who became his anchor, guiding him through storms of uncertainty. Their love story, one of resilience and unwavering devotion, saw them adopt 5 children: Daria, Delaney, Dylan, Dash, and Dakota, expanding Brian's family to a total of 7. Melinda's presence in Brian's life was nothing short of transformative. She safeguarded his well-being, protected him from exploitation, and became his fiercest advocate. But fate, always unpredictable, struck a painful blow in January 2024 when Melinda passed away at the age of 77, leaving behind a legacy of love and an immeasurable void in Brian's life. Now at 81, he remains surrounded by his children and a close-knit group of trusted friends and caregivers, navigating the twilight of his years with the same quiet intensity that once fueled his musical brilliance. With a net worth of an estimated $100 million, Brian has lived a life of both artistic splendor and financial success. Over the decades, he has owned multiple homes, including properties in Encino and Lake Arrowhead, California. But today, our journey takes us through the crown jewel of his real estate portfolio, his magnificent mansion in the gated Mulholland Estates subdivision of Beverly Hills. Purchased in 1999 for $3.5 million, this 6-bedroom, 9,353 square foot estate is a sanctuary of both grandeur and intimate artistry. Step inside, and the senses are immediately greeted by a home that is as much a reflection of Brian's eclectic spirit as it is of Melinda's refined taste. The sweeping entryway opens into a space adorned with timeless furnishings and an art collection that tells stories of inspiration and passion. The heart of the home, a state-of-the-art home theater, offers a glimpse into Brian's love for film and music, where classic black and white reels flicker across the screen, transporting him back to the golden days of Hollywood. An infinity pool stretches across the backyard, its shimmering blue mirroring the very waves that once inspired his most iconic compositions. In the grand living room, a baby grand piano takes center stage, a relic of the past and a witness to melodies that have yet to be written. The walls, lined with accolades, multiple Grammy Awards, a Kennedy Center honor, and a Rock and Roll Hall of Fame induction, whisper the tale of a man whose genius reshaped popular music. Every corner of this home breathes luxury. Yet within its vastness, there remains an undeniable warmth. A place where Brian and Melinda built their life together, where laughter echoed through the halls, and where love lingered in every meticulously curated detail. As we explore the final chapters of Brian Wilson's life, one thing becomes clear. Though the love of his life has departed, his music, his family, and the walls of this home continue to hold the echoes of a life well lived. He remains close to his children, his select circle of confidants, and the caregivers who ensure that the sun still shines in his world. Brian Wilson, the architect of harmony, the genius behind the music, continues to navigate the waves of life with the same quiet grace that made him a legend. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.